Hey, what's up everybody? This is Bonnie for Unbox Product Review. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this popcorn maker. Stay tuned. Alright, as you can see, this is the hot air popcorn maker, fast and healthy. No oil needed for this machine. This is a mini. Right here comes with a single spoon for kettles and makes up to 12 cups of popcorn. So let's go ahead, and on the side, this takes a 120 volts, 60 hertz, or 1200 watts. Only needs 3 to 5 minutes without oil operation. On-off switch, non-slip rubber feet, and removable lid for the scooping. So let's just go ahead and open up the box. And first off, right on the left-hand side is the popcorn maker. On the right-hand side is the top with the included lid. So let me just go ahead and remove this from the box. And right here is the top. You get the owner's manual inside the box as well. So you can just take this off and you can add your popcorn in. You can also remove the very top. As you can see, it has like a little handle. That is where you would use for your scooper to scoop out the kettle corn. And right here is a gripper. This is an actually 1 cup scooper, so you can scoop out the kettle corn with that. When you're done with that, just go ahead and set it at the top. This will go on top of the machine. And right here, we're just going to go ahead and remove the plastic. There is where you put your kettle corn in here. It's pretty steep. Alright, then we're going to go ahead and push this down and make our way to the sides. As you can see, here are your rubber stoppers so it doesn't move. Your information at the bottom. As you can see, it is desktop sizable. And right here is your standard 110 plug. When you're done with this, you can just go ahead and add the filter on top of it. And right here is your on and off button. So this is what it looks like.